we are expected to find the molar mass of this compound, ammonium hydrogen tetraoxophosphate 5, the chemical formula given. Let's get straight off into the solution. Now we have the compound NH4 in the 2 HPO4. And we're given these relative atomic masses right there. So we have the molar mass equals, now the starting point is the ammonium ion within the parentheses right there. Yes. They multiply by 2. So we're going to take 2 out. 2 multiplied by the mass resulting from this combination of atoms there. So nitrogen, N, 14, relative atomic mass. We have 14 plus hydrogen, relative atomic mass 1, multiplied by 4, because hydrogen occurs 4 times there. And now we seal up. Multiply by that 2. Another hydrogen out there, plus 1. Then plus phosphorus, which is 31. Plus oxygen occurring 4 times. Relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16, multiplied by 4. All right, we set out to evaluate each of these units. And this molar mass is going to give us, let's work from the inner bracket outwards. So we need to evaluate. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. And that 4 plus 14 gives us 18. The resulting 18 has to be multiplied by the 2 outside there, which gives us 36. So we have 36 resulting from this unit. Plus, let's retain 1 plus 31 gives us 32. And now plus 16 multiplied by 4 gives us 64. So in the final analysis, we can add up these figures, and now we will get our final answer. The molar mass of this compound will be, we can now add. Let's add the last digits. Last digits to the right. 4 plus 2 gives us 6, and 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Let us write down 2 and take 1 over into the next digits, resulting 6 plus 3, that's 9. 9 plus 3, that's 12. 12 plus incoming 1 gives us 13. Therefore, the molar mass of this compound is 13. Either we leave it this way, or we can add the units and say molar mass is 132 gram per mole. Our final answer. Very simple. And that is actually the option B right there. All right. Attached to this video are 2 quizzes. You can attempt the quizzes to test your understanding of the content of this video. Also find attached in the pinned comment a link to the test on composition stoichiometry. There are 20 questions to be taken in 30 minutes. You can test for your mastery or understanding of the topic composition stoichiometry. And finally, there is a link also in the pinned comment that will take you to the full video, full analysis, the full lecture on chemical composition stoichiometry. So study and learn fully. Thank you for being part of the session. And of course, I will see you in my next video.